Your girl got a new wig, and y'all gonna help me put it on.
We're blessed, we're blessed, we're blessed. Get through all the trouble and we pass every test. We're blessed, we're blessed, we're blessed. Put it in his hands and he'll handle the rest. I'm not worried about what's wrong, cause with Jesus I am strong. Devil can't get in my way, cause I'm winning every day. We're blessed, we're blessed, we're blessed. I'm blessed, you're blessed, we're blessed.
Alright y'all, so this package showed up so cute. We got lots of goodies in here. Of course, we have the wig. Alright. We have some lashes, and these are cute too, y'all. We got some lashes. They gave us an elastic band. Of course, well, that's the melting band. This is an elastic band for the wig. We got an edge brush. And a few more things in this bag, so let's take a look. So, in the bag, we of course have our wig. And I know y'all, can't believe I'm really about to try blonde, but we're gonna try it today. We're gonna try it and see. We're gonna try it and see. We got some wig caps, lots of wig caps. We love that. And what's something big in here? And they gave us a hair serum. I ain't never got that in no package before. Okay. They got us some hair serum, and that is it. So now let's get into this wig. All right, y'all, so this is the wig straight out the pack. This is a 5x9 closure wig. It's 18 inches, and it is, I believe it's a P18613 in the color. I tried to find something that was close enough to the black girl blonde. I don't know if I hit it right on point, but we're gonna try it out and see. This is the lace space that you get with the wig. I think it's a pretty good size. I haven't done anything to this wig, but yeah, it's a pretty nice amount of lace space. So we'll see how that goes. And yeah, it's supposed to be a wear-go wig. So we'll see. But it's looking good so far. And let me just start by saying my hair is not braided down correctly, but this is what we have going on so far. This is what it's giving. So we are definitely gonna do we're definitely gonna do some customization on the hairline. I also wanna put some layers in it. We got some work to do because, you know, I really want this to look good, and this is supposed to be my look for Christmas, so I know I'm looking a bit crazy right now, but we really gonna get it together. We're gonna get it together. So I do think that they definitely did a really good job pre-plucking it, and the knots, I believe, are pre-bleached, but it's a blonde wig, so it don't really matter. But I know y'all probably like, girl, that wig not supposed to be all the way down there. But I definitely need the size to cover up my hair. So I did pull it down far enough for it to cover my hairline. And then the first thing I'm gonna do is mark out where the front of my hairline is, which I believe is right here. And that's where we're gonna start like our customization.
Okay, so this is the actual amount of hair that I ended up sectioning off to remove. And the reason why we're doing this is to open up the hairline a bit so that the sides of the closure cover the sides of my hairline, and it doesn't leave my forehead looking too small or looking unnatural. And kudos to the company for even providing enough lace space for me to be able to do this. Because even after removing all that hair in the front, I still had more than enough parting space, which you'll see later. So they definitely weren't stingy with the lace, y'all. All I'm doing now is pulling out this excess hair in the front. I started off by pulling it out. I know they say that's not good for the lace and you might end up ripping it, but I was fine doing it. And then for the parts that I couldn't get, or the few hairs that were left out over, all I did was go in with my tweezers and pluck them out. Your girl was excited because it was already looking good. And now it's just time to pluck that hairline. And yes, it did come pre-plucked, but the hairline that they pre-plucked, I basically pulled that junk out. So now I gotta repluck my hairline. All I do is I section off a part of the hairline. I spray it with some water to wet it so that the hairs are easier to get out. And I just use my tweezers to pull it out. I think plucking a hairline is very easy. You just do it in sections, part apart, pluck it, then go deeper, part it, pluck it. If you want an in-depth tutorial on how to pluck your hairline, I'll be more than happy to give that to y'all, but I think it's pretty straightforward, pretty self-explanatory. It just takes some practice. But do not pluck in the same spot over and over again, because you might end up plucking too much or making a bald spot. So just make sure you're moving around in whatever section that you're plucking. After I get done with the sections technique, I like to pluck directly in the front of the hairline if it's still looking a bit too full, because that's how you get that real natural look. This is the final result. I think it's looking pretty good, and I'm feeling really good about how I open up that hairline. Let me know what y'all think. Of course, we're doing the middle part, and then we're going to start plucking that too, just to open it up a bit and give a nice natural scalp look.
All right, y'all, so we just got done customizing the hairline and we plucked the part a little bit. And I already think this wig is looking like 1,000 times better than, you know, than it was a little while ago. So now we're gonna get ready to cut some layers into the hair. I got these small scissors. You can use regular scissors because I don't have shears. So this is my first time doing this, so we're gonna try it out, but I'm nervous.
As y'all can see, them little baby scissors was not working. So I had to get my big girl scissors and get to work. Like I said before, I have never done anything like this. So I just took it kind of slow. I started off from the bottom, you know, just cutting along the edge of the hair as I go down. And then I came up a bit each time I did it.
I have never done this before, y'all, in my life. I'm so nervous right now. But I guess we just gonna go with the flow with it and just, you know, just keep cutting away at it until we get where we're going. That looks pretty good. I don't want to do too much because I do still want to see. I think I'm gonna cut it a little bit more because I do definitely want it to get Diva. We're gonna start from right there and work our way down. Oh, that's kind of cute. Okay, it's gonna be even cuter once we go ahead and, okay, now I just kind of messed it up, but we're gonna fix it. Once we go ahead and, you know, I guess that's why they say you need shears, but I like that. It's got to stop right here. And we basically gotta do the same thing to this side. Okay, we back up. And we basically gotta do the same thing to this side. Y'all, I'm really nervous. I can do this with the other hand, Jesus. Okay, let's go for it. So we gotta start. I'm gonna start pretty low. I don't think I can do this. Y'all, for real, I can't do this on my other hand. Okay. Yeah, this ain't working.
It definitely was not. So I went off camera and trimmed the other side.
Alright, y'all, so we just finished doing the layers. Oh my gosh, they look so cute. Baby, I should have been doing this. Let me show y'all. Baby, And once I put the, once I put the curls in it, it's about to be looking bomb. Okay, so we got our layers. I'm sorry, I can't stop looking at it. I can't stop playing with it. Honestly, I would keep it straight like this. But I would keep it straight like this, but I really want to do some curls for Christmas. So Y'all, I'm just so excited.
I'm gonna let y'all know right now that excitement did not last long because them curls kicked my butt. But y'all gonna see what I'm talking about later on.
So we're gonna get ready to curl her, and then I'll see y'all on the other side.
I took off the wig and did a majority of the curling on my mannequin head. And of course I had to test out the product that they sent with the wig, which was their hair serum. It's the Wig Special Hair Care Spray. And then I went in with my Tresemme Extra Hold Hairspray. And this is where it begins. Do you see the struggle? Do y'all see the struggle? And guess what? It only got worse from here. So while y'all watch me struggle, I guess I could tell you a little bit about the hair. So I would say that it's a very nice wig. You know, it came pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-everything. The hairline looked nice, of course, before I customized it. I didn't deal with too much shedding. You know, there were definitely flyaways. But the hair was soft, it was manageable, it didn't tangle easily, but I will definitely say it does not hold a curl, because as much hairspray, freeze spray as I put in this wig, the curls definitely dropped by the end of the night after a couple hours after I left my Christmas party. Now, I'm not saying that my curling technique is top tier by any means, but I do think that is something you should consider if you plan on purchasing this wig. Outside of that, the wig didn't really give me any problems. It's affordable and it's glueless, y'all. So you can't really beat that.
Alright, so now we just got our wig curled and everything. So I'm just gonna add some makeup. I got some powder and a foundation brush. We're just gonna add some makeup to the wig. This is the wig after we put makeup on it. Ooh. Can y'all even see? Alright then. This is the wig after we put makeup on it. Big difference. Big difference.
Now I'm just going in with my bedhead wax stick to tame some of those flyaways in the front of the hairline and in the part. And then of course we're going to take out our hot comb. And I know y'all see that fear on my face because I did not want to get burned. On to my favorite part, which is cutting the lace, because I know y'all been waiting for me to do that. But we're going to pick up them little baby scissors that we put down earlier, and we're just going to go as close to the hairline as possible and get rid of all that extra lace. Since this is a glueless wig, this part is very important. Do not leave any lace on the front of that hairline, y'all. Cut it off. We want the lace to lay as flat and seamlessly as possible, so that's why I went in with some of my Lotta Body setting mousse to brush back the hairs out of the way in the front. And I also went in with a tiny bit of freeze spray on the two side tabs just so that they can lay down. And of course we're going to melt everything in with the melting band that they sent us. And now it's time to take these curls out. I went back in with some more of that Tresemme Extra Hold hairspray before I started brushing out the curls. And whew, y'all see how good this side looked when I combed it out? Now look at this mess. This is what I was talking about. And because of this, now I'm going to basically have to go back in and recurl this whole wig. I still made sure I went in with my hot comb so that we can make sure I get the top of my head flat. But your girl is definitely not excited no more. Y'all see that face? That's all I gotta say. And it did not help that I was already running late for my Christmas party. So as y'all can see, it was just a mess. So if you have any curling techniques, any tips on how to help me with my curling technique, please leave them in the comments for me. But I am happy to say that we did finally get her looking right. See? It was so bad I didn't even want y'all to see me.
Alright y'all, this is the final result. Get in there, get in there. She's definitely cute. And she's glueless. Get into it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. All the information will be in the description box below. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments and I'll get back with you. But as always, I will see you next time, my blessed divas and dudes. Don't your girl look good and blonde?